Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This will also apply to S25 and even the S26 when it does come out. Alright, or other similar devices. I'll show you to put your device into maintenance mode. So the first thing you want to do guys, without further ado, is go to settings and you're going to go through. You're going to search for device care. And once you're in device care, you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for maintenance mode. Alright, so maintenance mode is used whenever you're going to send your device in for repair. So specialized mode that allows your device to be used without somebody messing around with your stuff. Alright, so you're going to hit maintenance mode. And here it goes to show you what maintenance mode looks like and give you some information. It's only pre-installed apps are available and you'll need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. So it's very secure, nobody can take your device outside of maintenance mode. You can do a temporary cloud backup, external storage backup. In that way your stuff is backed up. So in case of anything later on you can do full recovery if necessary. So we're going to turn on and it says create log and restart. So we're going to restart. And he asks me for my password. I'm going to enter that. Alright, I've entered my password. It's creating a log. And after the log is created, your phone will restart in maintenance mode and you can safely hand over your phone there for maintenance, meaning whoever is going to do the repair, you can give it to them in cases of you're carrying your device to be repaired. Alright, so it's creating the log. We'll leave it for a while. Alright, once the process is finished of creating the log, your device will restart. It will start to start up almost like normal. Alright, so you will see the logos and so on, and it will boot right into your device. Alright, so as you can see, it's switching to maintenance mode. Alright, so every personalization will be gone. So as you can see here, it's doing the default stuff. And there you go, the device is actually in a mode where it is easily usable. Alright, so as you can see, this is maintenance mode. It's quite bare bones. It's as if the device has been reduced just to the usual stuff. It will not exit this mode unless you go about it. So you can hand over your phone to whoever is repairing it. Now they can't access your files, and of course they'll be able to do whatever they want in terms of doing their maintenance or repair. All right, in order to exit this mode, you can swipe down from the left and it says you're in maintenance mode. All right, so in order to exit, you can tap here to exit. So you can tap and notice it will go here and then you can hit exit. So if I hit exit, it asks your phone needs to restart to exit. And you can also know you're in maintenance mode because it says it in the bottom left, maintenance mode. And you can hit restart. And of course that will be hit. Alright, just showing you how to get out of this mode. Alright. So, alright guys, so that's how to do it on your device, which is the S24. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.